bigan ay matatagpuan sa Ilocos Region. Ang bigan ay nanggaling sa salitang bigaa, isang uri ng halaman na matatagpuan sa mga ilog dito. Kilala ang bigan sa magagandang lugar at sa mga masasarap na pagkain. Isa na dito ang dinarayo ng mga turista ay ang Heritage Village at ang popular na kalye dito ay ang Kalye Crisologo. Itinayo ito noong 16th century at dahil sa ganda nito, isinama ito sa lista ng UNESCO World Heritage Site noong taong 1999. Kaya samahan niyo akong tikman at tingnan ang ganda ng Ilocos. Nakilala din ang Ilocos sa mga masasarap nilang pagkain. At ilan na dito ay ang longganisa at empanada na may dalawang klaseng luto. May tinatawag silang empanada ng bigan at ang empanada ng paway. At syempre, ang isa sa pinakasikat na pagkain ng Ilocos ay ang bagnet.
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Ah, ah, ah. Oh, we say we tell them touch again. Run, go tell your friend. Represent for reggae all across the world. Oh, oh. Well, hey. Enough don't know what they've been saying. Others don't know what they've been playing. We see the good music they on the leg. No wonder why so many of our children gone astray. You fi play it in the streets, make it flow up in the breeze. And anytime the reggae play, yo, we bring us stress relief, yo. We not promote no criminal nor no thief. Anytime touch blaze the fire, yo, we burn up all the beats. So we tell them, say, play with some good reggae music, yeah. This is reggae music, yeah. Cause we can afford to go lose it. This is reggae music, this is reggae music, yeah. Play with some good reggae music. I said play with conscious reggae music, yeah. We can't afford to go lose it. Oh no, oh no. Hold on, the people them tired that the easy man, the schism and the looting and the shooting with them gun lyrics.
Kapag may pagkain para sa pagkain na malungkot na kampana ang siyang babatingin. Kapag piniesta yung masaya at saka yung malit na bata, nakita nyo yun? Yun ang para sa christening or binyag.
And all we got is love. Represent for reggae music, keep it flying like God. Whoa, 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 whoa. Play with some good reggae music. Oh yeah, this is reggae music, yeah. Cause we can't afford to go lose it. Oh no, this is reggae music, yeah. Can play me some good